Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought it'd be fun today to take you along as I make some soap. Today we're going to be making Citrus Splash soap from Bitter Creek Candle Supply. They have a really awesome fragrance oils, so go check that out. As you guys can see, I have my oils melted in a pan here. I'm in my separate crafting room right now, so I'm keeping all the dangerous chemicals away from like household items. I got my lye solution over by the window. Usually I do that outside, but it's storming outside today and my deck is full of snow. I have my colors divided into 3 different containers because I'm going to be making some green, orange, and pink in the soap because I thought that would be super pretty. And I also have some titanium dioxide here mixed with some water to keep my soap bars white. So yeah, I'll be right back and start dividing my oils. Alright, my temperatures of my oils and lye have dropped to where I need them. So I'm going to go ahead and add my lye solution. I'm going to put some goggles on, gloves on, apron, and face mask. You always want to make sure you wear protective equipment because lye is very, very dangerous and can cause very bad burns. So I'm going to go ahead and dump that in off camera, and then I'll blend it with you. Alright, I just dumped my lye solution in. I'm going to keep on stirring this a little bit to get it a little bit incorporated first. And then I'll get out my stick blender. I think that's good with the spatula. And any stick blender will work. I found this one at the Goodwill. They're really expensive and they die fast, so I highly recommend getting them cheaper if you can. Just gonna see here. So you want to blend a little bit and then stir a little bit. You don't want to get it thick too fast. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for a while and be right back. Alright, my oils have traced, so I'm going to go ahead and dump some into my coloring, or my colors, and be right back. Alright, I went ahead and blended my colors with my stick mixer. I'm going to go ahead and add the titanium dioxide to the part that I want really white. Kind of have to start working fast because everything starts getting really thick. Ooh, my stir thing is getting really loud. Sorry about that. My husband scared me. It's actually really early in the morning and he was sleeping. I must have waken him up with my stick blender. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video right now and I'm going to add my fragrance oils. Alright, I went ahead and dumped in all my colors on top of my white mixture, and I'm gonna kind of do it in the pot swirl. So I'm just going to give this kind of a quick stir. Just a second here. I do not want to mix it too much. It's going to mix a lot as I dump it. And this is a really thick mixture, as you can see. This always happens to me for some reason. Alright. I'm just trying to get that white a little bit mixed there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and dump it in my pots, or my boxes, and be right back. Alright guys, I poured the soap into my molds. As you can see, I'm sitting on the floor. Probably not the best way to do it. wax paper just came up a bit, but that's okay. I'm just going to show you guys what I do next. I went ahead and tapped these down on the floor to get all the air bubbles out. And now I'm just going to texture my soaps. Sorry, my glove's filthy. I'm just going to start from the edge and drag it out to the middle. Kind of adds a fun touch on your soaps. See a little gap back there. Okay. And then I'm going to go down the middle. Being I don't want my soaps to be so pointed when I have the shrink wrap on them. I can't believe how scared I got when my husband walked in. I like how the colors like mix together. It's like a tutti frutti looking soap. It smells amazing. My last one here. If you haven't tried my soaps yet, go ahead and click down in the description box. I'll have my shop, my Etsy shop linked down below. Thank you all who have already purchased, and I've noticed the people who have purchased have been coming back for more, so that's a good sign. These soaps are made with pure silk and organic coconut oil, palm oil, and fragrance oil. And I absolutely love how these feel on my skin, and you know that you're not putting anything harmful on your skin when you're using them, so they're quite addicting. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if you enjoyed watching me make my soap today. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day wherever you're in the world, and please subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!